Hello, and welcome back to another Ally Invest video. I am going to show you me purchasing stock in case you have never purchased stock with Ally. You have your account open, you have just never done anything at all. But the first thing you want to do is you want to apply to get an investment account. You will go to the Ally Investment side, do an application, whether you want to be a DIY trader, which means you do everything yourself, or you want Ally to manage a portfolio for you. Once that has come through and you have access, when you log into your Ally account, this is the banking side. You can never do anything investment wise on your banking side besides look at what your investments is if you already are trading. So to get to the investment side, I believe this part right here only will be up, and you can click on go to Ally Invest Home, or just go right to the top of your screen right here and click on investments. And this will take you right to the investment platform for Ally. Now, again, I'm already inside of the stock game with Ally, so you will see things on my screen you won't see on yours, and especially if you have not made a watch list. I do have a video on making an Ally Invest watch list, so you can check that out in my Ally Invest um, videos over there on my playlist, or you can click up here at the top as well. So I right now want to purchase this REIT, which is a real estate investment type of, I guess you can say, stock. I'm really big on things right now that's going to bring me money in by giving me a dividend. So I already have the ticker, which is the letter used to indicate the letter used to indicate which company I'm investing in. So I can find that ticker or that company by two different ways. I can go to research, click on stocks, and then it will automatically come to the research section here. And this is by default, Apple populates. I can change that, but I just haven't. I will come over here to the white section. I'm going to copy and paste it, which is newborn acquisitions. This is what I am buying because I have done my research. I know that this happens all the time. So if you see this, don't get freaked out. This is not real. I don't know why this does that, but if you change it, it goes away. One time I saw that, I was like, "Oh my God, it just skyrocketed like 100 points." No, it didn't. I don't know why it does that, but it does sometimes. So right now, I want to take advantage of this newborn acquisition, which is an EV company that is creating car batteries. A big old merger is happening, and I am expecting this to like really skyrocket. Like I want to get in at the ground floor. It just came out. You can see the performance of a stock, and it's always good to do your research on a company before putting money in there because you don't want to lose your money. So I know I want to invest in this. So I'm going to do over here and it's going back up. So over here is going to go to trade. It says you have no shares of NBAC. I can put trade here, or I can go up to this top big blue button and push trade. So what I will need to do is I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna push trade because it automatically populates everything I needed to populate when I click on trade on this side. If I just clicked on trade, as you saw before, the big blue button, I have to put in everything I want to put in, including the buy and blah 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 blah. All right, so I know based upon the amount of money I have for my investments, I can do 49 shares at market. So I'm going to go right ahead and click the big blue button preview order. It takes me here and it shows that right now it will cost me uh $769.30, and I have no fees, nothing like that. So then I will go ahead and put click order. Now watch over here on the screen. It shows it was submitted, pending order, open and filled. It literally took what, a couple seconds, and now I own stock and newborn acquisition. Now you see right here, it still shows you have no shares of newborn acquisition. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to refresh the page. Reload. Now when I reload the page, it will now show that I have stock. I own shares in that stock. Now I want to show you exactly what to look for when you have stock on your page. Now, when you come back to your overall dashboard for your portfolio, you will see right here that you have NBAC here. So I want to see what's happening with this stock. How would I do that? I can go to view more details, or I can come over here to this port and click on research. Research allows you to see everything that's going on with that stock, from the performance with the graph, from any type of price range information, from company news, what's going on with the company, things that can help you decide whether to stick with them or get away from them. Those things help you a lot. This company literally just came out a couple days ago, so it's not much there, and I'm expecting it to go high. So this is what I am choosing to do. Do your own research when you are buying stocks. And then I wanted to also show you, now that I have shares of the stock, this information will also be on the dashboard, which is here. It says I have 49 shares of this stock. My position have increased or decreased. Decreased, as you know, it means went down. So now I'm down 0.32%, and it shows right here, based upon the number of shares I've got, I am down $80. Well, the whole stock is down $80.85. Overall gain and loss for me personally is $2.45. So as you can see, this stock is going down right now. Again, never let your emotions dictate what you do next. Stocks are forever going to go up, and they're forever going to go down. So don't freak out when you buy something and it automatically goes down. Now, at a certain point, if you just bought something and it's like going down 1%, down 20%, like I have a rule that if a stock goes past about, I think it's like 1%, 2% for me, not 0.2%. No, means like 2 is in the front. Then I'm looking to see, okay, what I want to do, what I want to do next. But stocks forever will go up and down. It just depends upon how much you're willing to take before you execute something, because I have also made drastic decisions on my emotions when I saw the price going down. And as soon as I sold, it bounced back up. And I'm like, oh my goodness. So just be careful of that when you have stocks. The prices will go up, they will go down. You just want to make sure you're not sticking with something hoping it will go back up when it's already gone down so far. But I hope this video helped you. I hope some of these little gems of knowledge are going to help you in the future when you are trading. Make sure again to check out my Ally Invest playlist with other things regarding Ally Invest. Have a good one.